Hey everyone, you want to make this spicy T-bone steak? Just come cook along with us and learn how to make this delicious, simple and quick T-bone steak. So let's get into the video. For this recipe you're gonna need a T-bone steak, and I have washed it in vinegar and lime juice water, and now I'm just patting drying it, and I'm gonna be putting a little bit of creole seasoning on it and let it rest for about 5 minutes. And I'm gonna rub it on both sides of my steak, just like you see I'm doing here, just to get the flavors in. I know many people just use black pepper and salt, but I like the creole seasoning. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of black pepper too. And just get it all in and around the sides of your steak. Then let's just add the black pepper as well. Just rub it in all over. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come right back to make our steak. For this recipe you're going to be needing some black pepper, creole seasoning. I'm using some banana peppers, some salted butter, garlic, I have thyme, and a little dried rosemary, both of them dried, grapeseed oil, and then your T-bone steak. So we're going to be getting started, so stay tuned. So we're going to start by putting some oil in our skillet. Make sure you have your flame on. And once that's heated, then we're going to put the butter in. So now we're going to put a little piece of butter in. And once our butter is melted, just move the pot around a little bit to get it going. And then we're going to put our T-bone steak in. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of the tuna rice on top. And then we're going to put our thyme to the side. And my little dried rosemary, as I told you I had. Put our garlic and our banana peppers, just to give the steak banana pepper flavor from that vinaigrette. So you get a little vinaigrette, and you're just going to let it stay there for about 5 minutes. Once you see the fat on the side kind of getting brown, then it's time to turn it over. So we'll be back for this time. Oh, I almost forgot my butter. There we go. It's been about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna just try to flip it with my fork, and you can see how we got that brown color on the side. And then I'm going to be using this to base it some. So maybe I need to change this one, so I'm just going to change it. And we're going to get the other side brown as well. I'm also going to sprinkle some more tuna rice on the side that we just flaked, the brown side. I got me a butter spoon, so I'm just gonna baste the top. And we're almost done. Let's put some of our banana peppers on top and get some grease on it as well. Once we're done, we're just gonna pour it in a plate and let it rest, which is coming up anytime now. Let's put our thyme on top too. And garlic, put that flavor in. And we're just gonna give it a minute, and then we're gonna pour it in on a plate and let it rest. So now that it's done, we're gonna take it out. See, the other side is brown as well. I'm putting it in my plate, and then I'm just gonna pour this oil on top. Let me show you. Pour it on all over and let it rest. And you see the finished product in here smells so good. That rosemary with the garlic and the banana peppers. Let the steak taste so good and smells so good. And there you see, this is well done because I like mine well done. And look at it, it looks so juicy. And this is less than 10 minutes. So there you see, this is a simple recipe. So remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on that notification so you do not miss anything, and leave a comment in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.